Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today's topic is United We Stand.
So, I'm going to hit you with the Bible here for a second. I'm just going to bash you with it.
Okay.
Bible pretty much states, and it's just a wise saying, a house divided cannot stand. Mm-hmm. So, you need to think about the things in your life that would cause division between you and your working partner, whoever that may be. If it's your wife, you need to think about those things that are causing and putting wedges between you that stop you from working efficiently together. If it is a business partner, you need to think about those things that are putting wedges between you and stopping from you working effectively together. And that could be time management, that could be money management type thing. It could be so many different things. It could be just
even.
Communication.
Yeah.
That's a huge one. Okay, and that's a big fail of a lot of businesses and why a lot of small businesses go under.
Yep.
Proper things are not communicated at the right time, and they were time sensitive subjects that needed to be taken care of, and the two people just were not able to get together on it. So you need to think of ways that you can constantly unite with that partner of yours. If you're married, not having joint account, not having separate accounts, right? Not saying, well, I do this all day, you just do whatever over there that you do all day. You have to come together on things. Even if Jessica doesn't know something that I'm dealing with in the shop, it is my job to make sure that she understands full well what it is, the deadlines that I'm stressing out about in my shop.
Right.
So this way on her end, she knows how to kind of put things on the schedule, and how to contact and talk to customers and say, hey, look, no, Roy's packed, and not just keep putting on the load.
Yeah. So it requires me, being open to listening to what you have to say, and then you sharing the information as well. Exactly.
And then the same thing. I can be go, 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 and she's tied up inside the house, and she's really got to work on just some paperwork stuff, and no, she can't answer that customer email right now. And it's something that I need to do, and I've got to be open to understanding and hearing where she's from. And so constantly building that bridge to try to take and unite with your partner. In this case, I'm blessed to have my wife as my partner in crime and business, right? Well, not crime,
just
but
business.
just business.
And marriage.
Wink. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I'm very blessed to have her in that, and you got to look at the people in your life as well, that you're blessed if you have anybody willing to put up with you to run a business. I'll leave you with that one.
Alrighty then.
Yeah. That'll be it for this 3 Minutes at 3.
Thank you for joining us.
And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.